and no, it's a helicopter we just took, and make our way down to A. Smith and grab some coffee and the cinnamon buns that this one Old Town Bakery is known for. I did some sleuthing on Instagram yesterday. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
To the Raptor Center, and I can't wait. If I meet an owl or any bird, really, I'm just really excited for this. Curtis knows that he's going to have to tear me away from this. I'm super looking forward to that. And then after we have a vineyard tasting or winery tasting at Averill Vineyards, I can't wait for that. And then we check it into our lodge, and that's going to be a really nice cozy evening. So stay tuned. I will bring you guys along for the rest of the day.
We made it! Oh my god. This is Elton the owl. You are one handsome guy. I'm in love. I don't even know you very well, but I'm in love.
We are called the Raptors.
Yeah.
We are a birds of prey and falconry organization. So all raptors are birds of prey, but not all birds of prey are raptors. The raptors include the eagles, the hawks, the falcons, and the owls. And sometimes vultures are grouped in with them, but they're not technically raptors.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'll let you guys hold on to these birds while I talk about them. They are a migratory bird, so you will see them up here on the island during the spring and summer, the breeding season. And then they most of them go down south for the winter, but a couple of them kind of try to stick around all year round, which is kind of cool.
Oh my god.
Cassie.
It's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah. It's so strange that it's so close.
Yeah, it's very cool. And you'll never get to do something like this with a wild bird.
No,
even the birds that we have that have been rescued and were injured too badly to be released back into the wild, they still don't really like humans. They don't really come too close to us. Yeah. So we can't really interact with them the same way that we do with these guys.
How heavy is Elton compared to?
She's just a bit lighter than Fraction, so she's almost exactly 2 pounds.
Oh, okay.
Maybe just a bit higher.
Yeah, I would say he was heavier. She's a little more fluffier. Look at her feathers. You got little eyebrows.
Yes, yeah. Owls, they look a lot softer and fluffier, and it's because they are, but that is for a reason. So owls, when they're flying, they're totally silent.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can't hear them flap their wings at all.
Yeah, they just come at you. Yeah.
And that is because of how soft and fluffy they keep their feathers. As well as their feathers come all the way down to their toes, which helps to muffle the sound of the air going over their toes. You can kind of see that they're a bit frayed at the edges, right along her body. Helps her to keep really silent, which is really beneficial.
Oh, that's good. You can get all those mice and whatever else.
Really sneak
little
up
small
on them,
dogs and
Spectacled owls in particular are pretty funny. They'll hunt pretty much anything.
Yeah.
So they'll hunt like in the rainforest of South America. They'll be hunting like frogs, lizards, snakes.
Oh wow.
Mice, rats.
Everything.
Rabbits. Sometimes they'll fish, which is pretty interesting. They'll even go for some small mammals like howler monkeys or two-toed sloths.
Oh my god. It looks like a brain or something.
It was just a piece of muscle.
Oh, was
Piece
that
of
what
meat.
it was? Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't get good enough chance to see it before you came over.
Yeah, he's too quick. Awesome. We can start heading out.
Okay. I am in heaven. Heaven. So awesome. We just did a hawk walk. We gotta hold our arms up and the hawk flies out of nowhere and it takes food off of our hands. It was incredible. Super incredible. I'm so glad we came here. And I'm gonna hold an owl. An owl. Okay, how much fun did you have?
Yeah. Everyone, if you come down this way, you should go check it out.
Yeah, it
Amazing.
was amazing. I met a bunch of owls. Oh, and the hawk walk was like super freaking cool, hey?
Yeah. Well, you'll see.
Yeah, you'll see it. You'll see snippets, but off my bucket list. I'm super happy. We just checked into Cowichan River Lodge and it's so nice. This is our room. Bed for Curtis, bed for me. But it's just us here tonight and we get like a dinner with the chef. But cozy beds. These are, oh my god, how soft are these? And little amenities. A nice big soaking tub that I'm going to jump into later. Bathroom, closet, seating area, and then in the morning we'll see the view of the river after, which I'm pretty excited about. Looking forward to dinner. And tomorrow will be a nice fun day again. Comfy?
It's nice. I want to go in that tub so bad.
I know. Dinner was fantastic. The wife is Sicilian, so they cooked fresh pasta and there was like an orange salad and we had like a lovely charcuterie board of local meats and cheeses from the region. So good. And so now we are playing Scrabble and the fire is on and we hold the whole place to ourselves. Like there's no one else staying here tonight. It's actually really, really great. So nice and relaxing. It's 10 to 8 at night, and yeah, got my cozy new sweater on, my new PJs I got from Costco. Great buy. How much was my PJ set? 20 bucks.
Yeah, $19.
Yeah, pants. A t-shirt and a fleece sweater. It was a PJ set and I got for 20 bucks. And I got a cozy ass robe for 20 bucks. Right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Unbelievable. Costco's the best. But anyways, I digress.
Also a Costco sweater.
Oh yeah, Curtis got that sweater.
And a Costco t-shirt underneath.
What did your sweater cost you? 12 bucks?
Yeah.
Yeah. Crazy.
T-shirt was like $7.
It's a good buy for this weekend especially. Now we're gonna play Scrabble. See you later. Good morning. Just chilling in our room. Super cozy. And my view is the river. Yeah, that's the river down there. I'll zoom in for you guys. Oh my god. So peaceful. No bears. So this morning we're had breakfast and stuff at the lodge, and then we're on our way to the motorsport circuit and having lunch and stuff there, and going for a spin on the track. Back to my roots. I'm not driving. There'll be one of the guys there driving. Excited about that. And then we have the afternoon to do whatever we want. So we might start up with another couple wineries. And yeah, just pop into a bunch of little bits of the town, take some photos, relax, maybe spot some deer again. And we saw a herd of elk yesterday, which was pretty cool. They're huge, but yeah, that's our day. We just left the Vancouver Island motorsports circuit and that was a lot of fun. I love being in any kind of car going around a track. And it was slippery today, a wet track. Always fun. We even spun out, so totally fine. I went to rally school, that was like nothing. But that was a lot of fun. Highly recommend that. And it's a beautiful circuit and we had a delicious lunch there. And they had a great view. If it was like a track full of people that day, oh my god, you would be in heaven eating and watching people go around doing hot laps. So now we're just on our way to Chemainus. The girl at the track told us that we should come stop by. They have all these murals and it's this old town and there's like little shops and stuff, so we're gonna go and try to find a place to get coffee and wander around. It's pouring out, so it's not the nicest day, but we're gonna make the best of it. We also debated about driving to Port Renfrew, but we were told that it was a pretty windy day and some trees could have fell on the highway. So we'll bookmark that for a return trip one day. Nicer weather, but it's only an hour drive, which is crazy. And then you're right on the Pacific Ocean. That would be amazing. Definitely have to come back and do that. But yeah, we're just gonna hang out and do Chemainus and kind of do a wander around. Maybe go to Antique Mall. Hopefully, that'll be fun. You can find some cool stuff. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. Try some gems.
Buy your wife a silver fox. That's cool. It's an Audi.
Oh, I mean, I wouldn't mind that as a gift.
No,
actually.
me neither. Well,
It's her size. Okay. Well, the first part was okay, but yeah.
I turned around.
Having a blast here. I'm so sad to say goodbye. As you can tell, I look super relaxed, had a good sleep. There's not a sound at all at night. It's like uber peaceful, and when it's a clear sky you can see the stars crystal clear. Wish we had that, but it's raining, but it's okay. Super nice walk in the woods. Chris and I keep stopping every 2 seconds to take a photo, so it's really nice. Now we're off to the next destination. Getting all artistic, babe.
I don't know. I'm just trying out to zoom. I
Hmm.
don't know what I'm actually doing.
It's okay. You have fun?
Did you have fun?
I had fun. This. Bless you.
Oh.
This is a private school, Shawnigan Lake School. These are like their dorms because it's a boarding school, and I think locally you can go. And it's been here forever. Apparently their Great Hall is like Hogsworth. Oh my goodness. Cool. It's insane. It's pretty pretty cool though. Be really nice in like sunny weather. Just checking into the Moon Water Lodge, and that is our view. It's a little foggy right now, but I can't wait till it clears up, or see in the morning anyways. How lovely. I'm gonna be in here later tonight. Super cute. And it's a loft. This is awesome. Oh, it's a little fireplace. We can put that on later. Nice. The bed looks cozy. It's actually really nice. Oh my. Yeah. Can you imagine what the view is like on a nice clear day?
Hell yeah, it'd be amazing. Even that, look how nice that is.
Yeah. Cool. Beautiful.
Sprinkle?
Having a soak. I won't show you Chris because he's already in the tub.
Show me.
They left us some of the champagne from around the region, which is not champagne, not Prosecco, but it's called Charm de Lille. I'm probably pronouncing that horribly, but that's what they're known for in Cowichan Valley, and it is so nice and crisp and fresh and lovely tasting. So we're going to do that, have a soak, watch some Netflix. Finally a sunny day. Good morning. It's our last day in Cowichan, and we just left the Moon Water Lodge and had a terrific stay. The view this morning, we lucked out and had sun, and it was unreal. The view from our room. Highly recommend staying there if you're on the route here. And we had a delicious breakfast with also a really great view. So it was a win-win this morning. And now we're just on our way to Wild Coast Perfumery in Cowichan Bay and checking out her little shop, and she makes all of her perfumes in-house. And then we have a delightful little lunch at Rock Cod Cafe in Cowichan Bay as well. So it's a 100% sustainable seafood restaurant, which is pretty cool. So I can't wait to actually have lunch there. And then we're kind of making our way back home. So it's been a really great 4 days. We're having lots of fun. It's really scenic, seeing a lot of wildlife. We've seen deer and elk, eagles, hawks, all the raptors. Haven't seen a bear, which I don't know if is a good thing or not. I guess so, but I was kind of hoping to see the bear like trudge through the garden. But yeah, it's been a good trip. So we made it to the perfumery. It's the cutest little storefront. And this little fishing village. Definitely recommend popping into this place if you're in Cowichan Bay. So nice out here. This is Cowichan Bay. It's an old fishing town. For example, that building right there is a restaurant that's been there since 1863. That's an art gallery. Super cute. We're gonna just walk around another restaurant. But peaceful. We just read that this was a steamship port in the 1860s, and then it evolved to commercial fishing, and now it is a sustainable fishing area, which is really cool. Hence the restaurant we're going to, which is 100% sustainable. I can't wait for lunch. But it is now not raining and very, very peaceful. Curtis wants to buy some boats. I don't know why.
I think this one is all like fishing lines. It's not like netting.
Yeah, because it's sustainable fishing.
Oh, yeah.
So they can't do the nets. trip is over. We're just heading to HeliJet and waiting for the helicopter to come and head home to Vancouver. And that is a very ominous cloud behind me. Oh my god. We're just beating the storm. So anyways, it was an awesome 4 days. Really enjoyed ourselves and can't wait to return back to the island. See you guys in the next one. Oh, and thank you very much to Tourism Cowichan and all of the accommodations and restaurants and just really friendly people that we've met along this whole trip. So thank you, we really enjoyed ourselves and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!